Okay, so more or less, this is our command for 3D plot. So you can observe that. So x-axis, that is my time. Time is in x-axis. Time starts at 0, and increment is pi by 50, and the end time is 10 pi, 10 pi. So that is my time. And in y-axis, we put sine t, and in z-axis, we put cos t. So, and what is the transfer of omega here? So let's put omega here. So omega omega t. Okay, sine omega t here, cos omega t. Okay, so y-axis we have sine omega t, and z-axis we have cos omega t, and this is a 3D plot, so that's why that is the command plot 3. So remember that you have to write plot 3 for 3D plot, and after that you have to give x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Now the name of the x-axis is t because in x-axis we are defining time. That's why we have given t here. But if you change this to x, you can also give x here. Now x level is the time in second, y level is the sine t, and z level is the cos t. That is what we have got. And axis is the square, that means all the axis will be square. X-axis will be a square, y-axis will be a square. And title is a three-dimensional plot, and grid on, so grid is on right now. So we have to save that. So you have to go here and save as, and then you can save that in the desktop. And this is lab 4. Lab 4. Okay, I think it is already saved, so we can run it. So it is already saved, so let's run it. So you have to go to the editor, and you can see there is a run button, so you can press on that. Lab 4. So let's give it add to path, and let's see what result we get. Okay, so we got lots of frequency there. You can see we have three dimension here. Okay, so I mean second, and each of the axis is a square here. That means x-axis is acting as a square. So this is look at this. So this is a square. Similarly, y-axis. Look at this. So which one is the y-axis? Y-axis is the sine. You can see it is a square also, and you can see z-axis cos t. That is also in the square. And this is the plot actually. So we are getting in the lots of frequency there. Okay, so let's see how can we reduce the frequency. What about if we don't give this f and omega? Let's remove f and omega, and then omega we don't need that. And cos t. Okay, now let's save it. And let's run it again. Okay, look, now we are getting lower, a very less frequency there. Why we are getting less frequency? You can assume that's the time. So each of the time step you are getting the plot, sine plot and cos plot. Each of the time step. Previously, as you multiplied by the omega, So that's why you are getting more point there. That's why you are getting lots of frequency there. So omega equal to pi f, right? So if you multiply by omega equal to pi f, you will get a lot of frequency. Now we have less number of frequency right now, but if you go back the previous one, then you get a lot of frequency. So you know how to annotate this plot. So to annotate that, so you just have to click on this time in second, and you can annotate that. So you can change the color from here. So right now it is the black color. You can give any color whatever you want. So you can give this pink color if you like. So this is, what is this? So interpreter. You can try this. So there are lots of parameters there. So this is the font size. So you can change also font. Okay, that's not look that much good. So what about this font? Algerian font. This is oh, okay. So it's getting smaller, but you can make it bigger because font size you can also change here. So we have font size, suppose 25. Okay, so you can increase the font size if you want, and there are lots of things. So you can do. So it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. Whatever, so you can weight, remove the weight if you want, so, or give the weight. And S color, you can also change the S color if you want. Suppose if you want to give the S color, that is the S color, you can see. Whatever color you want, you can give that. Then you can also put background color, you can see. Background color, you can give black. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, you can see it's got the S is it got the S and it's got the background. Yeah, it's not bad. It's still good. So here you can annotate. There are lots of annotation tool and parameter there. You can definitely annotate this figure. Okay. So you can also change the position and okay, let's go to here, the plot. Okay, here you can also change the color if you want. So this color you like, so suppose this color, it's not bad. And the line style, you can also change the line style if you want. So there are many line style here. This is another style, and you can see this is another style. Okay, it seems very, it looks you can increase the line width, then okay, yeah, you can increase the line width and you can see it clearly. And there is marker also, you can add marker. So if you add marker, it's better to remove the line. Then I think marker will be more. Why it looks like that? It's not good. Okay. So okay, I don't find it good. So you can remove the marker. So marker does not look that much good. So you can keep the line. This line looks better. Okay, so after that you go to the sign key and you can also change that. Okay, so time in second. Here, what is that font? And Andalus 25. Okay, we can keep that here also. Right now it is Helvetica, so we can change that. Change, what is Andalus? Okay, got it. Now make it 25. Okay, it is bigger right now. You can keep that bold if you want. We, we use bold here or not? No, so no bold. So there is also no bold. Okay, you can change the color here. So to change the color, you just click on this, and I think we use this color or this color. They are very close, very hard to determine. Okay, whatever. So you can give that, and then age. What is this one? Is the age? This one maybe. Yeah, it's simple. Or this one, or this one. Who knows? Okay, let's use this one. And we also got the background here. For background, the black one. Yeah, black one. Let's do. You can also change that. Same. So you can keep this one. We can give here 25. We can change the background. You can also rotate that if you want. 90 degree if you make it 180 degree, then it will look how it looks. It will be okay. It doesn't look good. Okay, it doesn't look good. So please see. Yeah, look, it's now. You can just do come. You can select it and you can move it around if you want. Is it look good or previous one is better? I think previous one is better. Yeah, so cause keep it here. And then you can change the ears, and you can also change the background. Oh, it's getting dark. Let's change it. This color. This one. Now it's look good. Okay, I think color selection is not same. Maybe it's same. Yes. It's not same. That's why it's look kind of darker. Okay, now it's okay. So after that, you can also change the axis. This is the axis. Let's see. What can we do with the axis? Okay, so let's keep that same and make it 25. 25. How it looks? It looks not good. Okay. Okay, so let's make it clear. If it looking good. Okay, let's make it smaller. Okay. Next is okay. So axis if you make it 10, then okay, no, let's keep it three-dimensional plot. So we got 27.5. Okay, that's good, not bad. So you can change the color if you want. Whatever you okay. And then you can change the background. Let it take new one, and you can change the background. Background here. Okay, so What is the background? Where is the background? Where is the background? Okay, this is the position. There. Okay, what about black? Okay, whatever. So you can change this way, and if it does not look good, then you can always try to make it better looking. So it's look horrible. It's not look good. Okay, whatever. So you can save our project in this way. So when you are finished editing, so you can just save it. So last class I told you that you have to save it in two formats. One is MATLAB figure form, and other is JPEG form. JPEG form. So there are two forms of saving this figure. So one is MATLAB figure form, other is JPEG form. So it will not, you cannot change now. You cannot change. Okay, save as in figure form and JPG form. Okay, in desktop. So in this figure form, you can edit later, and if you save in JPG form, you cannot edit. So this is lab 4. That is the figure form. We saved one in figure form, then let's save another in JPG form. Save as desktop lab 4 JPG to insert in the report. Okay, we saved it. So if you go there in desktop, if you go there in desktop, you should find it. Figure form. Where is the figure form? This is the figure form. What is the JPG form? JPG form, I cannot find it. Yes. Okay. Just close it. Image here. Let's see. Okay, why I cannot save it in JPG form? Save as desktop. JPG. Okay, JPG form. We have to save it. Okay, now it is saved. So you can see, right, the figure I just saved. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it doesn't look good. It looks it doesn't look that much good. So because it's I mean এটা একটা ইয়ার মতো লাগতেছে আর কি, অস্পষ্ট লাগতেছে, অস্পষ্ট. So you can always change that from the figure form if you want. You can change that. So you can insert that in figure from desktop left 4. Where is that 4? Left 4. Yeah, so you can insert that in your report like this way, and you can make it smaller or larger, whatever you need, and you can check whether it looks good or not. If it does not look good, so you can always go to the figure form and you can always change that. Okay, that is how you can generate figures. Okay, so this is the three-dimensional plot. So there are two more types of plot. One is called sharp plot, other is called mesh plot. Okay, so you will study what is the necessity of sharp plot and mesh plot. Okay, you'll study by yourself. You will look at the resource. There are many resources available online. So what are the necessity of sharp plot and mesh plot? That is what you will study by yourself. We'll see how the sharp plot and mesh plot will look like. Okay, let's look at those. Okay, this is the figure form. You can always change this figure form if you want. You just need, what you have to do, you just have to click on this icon. You have to click on this icon, then you get the editor, and here you can change uh, everything, and you can just make the new outlook. That is totally up to you whether you want to change it or not. Okay, so let's open another script file. Okay, so for many days we don't work with live. Let's work with live editor. Live editor. So what we would like to discuss now? We like to discuss mesh plot and sharp plot. So mesh plot and sharp plot, uh, are similar to the one kind of 3D plot. So today we discuss 3D plot, simple 3D plot. So what is the command for that? Okay, what is the command for 3D plot? Can you say, anybody? What is the command for 3D plot? Anyone? Hello. What is the
স্যার
command
প্লট
for
এক
3D plot?
জেড বসাই দিব স্যার, এক্স ওয়াই সাথে জেড বসাই দিব।
Plot 3xyz এভাবে বলতে হবে তো। Plot 3xyz.
Plot 3xyz, sir.
Yes, otherwise it will not
ইয়েস
work.
স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার, প্লট।
And what is the command for 2D plot? Previous lab. What is the command for 2D plot? You can remember?
প্লট স্যার, প্লট এক্স ওয়াই স্যার।
Yes. Don't say
Okay.
plot 2xy. That will not work.
ইয়েস স্যার, এক্স ওয়াই, প্লট এক্স ওয়াই স্যার।
Plot xy. And when it is 3D plot, the command is plot 3xyz. Okay. Now let's see how we can plot sharp plot. Sharp plot is a one kind of special kind of 3D plot. It is used in normally used in research purpose. I mean, if you write some research paper, in that case, you may need sharp plot to analyze different data. Okay, you can see that online. What is the purpose of sharp plot? Okay, that is your task. Okay, so please see that and please write lab report. Please write lab report 1, 2, 3, and today lab report 4. So please write those, and please write the details description from and please study online and write description from your understanding, not just copy from online. Write description from your understanding. Okay, so sharp, a special type of 3D plot, plotting of a special type of plotting. Plotting spelling is right or not right?
There is triple T.
Plotting of special type of 3D plot known as sharp plot. SUR sharp plot. Okay, so we like to see what is the plotting, what is the sharp plot looks like, how the sharp plot looks like. Okay, sharp plot. Okay. So we have to write the code for that. So what is the code? So suppose a equal 0. 0 is the starting point. You know that. So you have to understand that what that means actually. So 0 is the starting point, and 0 1 is the increment, and then 1 is the end point. Starting point, then increment the end point. You can see that result if you want. If you run it, you can see what is the result. Because we have not put any semicolon, you can see the result here. It continues. It's a long one, so it will continue. So we got A. So A, and suppose y equal sine y equal sine 2 pi A. 2 pi A. Maybe pi, pi is a built-in function, so you don't have to worry about that. If you write pi, it will automatically assume that so it is a built-in function, so it will automatically get pi. So y equals sine 2 pi A. So you know what is A here, right? So A is nothing but into y. Y prime into y means the inverse matrix of y into y. Okay, then we want to get the sharp plot for W. So what you have to write? Sharp plot for W. So you just have to write sharp SURF sharp W. So that will generate the sharp plot for this variable W. Okay, so let's see what result we'll get.
এমনি আছে কিছু করলে কর
Okay, so you can see a plot here. This plot is called sharp plot. This is a 3D plot. This is a special type of 3-dimensional plot. You can see it has 3 axes, and this kind of plot used in to make the data analysis. Okay, so you have several types of data, and you have to analyze those data. And then this type of plot, you can plot this type of plot. This is called sharp plot. So there is another type of plot that is called mesh plot. A mesh plot is similar to the sharp plot, that is also a 3-dimensional plot. And if you want to plot that, then you have to, instead of sharp, you just have to write mesh here. So mesh W. So mesh W will create mesh plot, okay? And sharp W will create sharp plot. So you just have to write mains w here. Can you see this plot, sharp plot here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are getting the sharp plot in the same interface uh, because we are using the live script. You can use the normal script and you will get a window of the sharp plot like this.
Abhijit, mute your microphone.
Yeah, like window of 3D plot. So if you want to get the mesh plot here, so what you have to do, you just copy this and break this section. Where is the section break? Here. Insert section break. Okay. Then bring that text again. Okay, so where is this text? Insert text. Okay, just click on there. There. Okay. So got text now. Then you just copy that. Okay, so that is the text actually. Let's bring text. Small text. Now got the text. Just change it here, mesh. Mesh plot. That mesh plot is also a special type of 3D plot and it is used for that data analysis. And you can make it heading here. And now insert code after that. So here's code. So just copy this. You can get the mesh plot for the same parameter. So you have to just write mesh plot for this variable w. So you have to write mesh w. So then you get the mesh plot. What is going on? Mesh plot. Okay, so now just run it. You'll get the hopefully you'll get the mesh plot. Okay, just put semicolon. We don't want to see this. We have already shown this here. You can see all those variables here. You can see a, y, and w. And just run it. Okay, so the second plot is the mesh plot. You can see it is the similar to the sharp plot. You can see that is this is a sharp plot, and this is the second one. You can see this is the mesh plot. It is very similar to this sharp plot, but here you can see the frequency is less, I think. So yeah, it has high frequency, I mean high density, and here the density is less. Okay, so let's save it. Save as desktop. So this is lab 4. Lab 4. Lab 4 is already there. So lab 4 1. Next. It is wrong. The name start with a letter and contains only letter number. Oh, I got it. I cannot save it. Save. So here also has some problem with name. So lab 4, what can we give? Code A. Okay, that may work. Okay, I would like to save here in desktop. Folder 1. Okay, it's also not work. Okay, so now it is saved at last. Okay. So if you have the curiosity, why we need this kind of sharp plot and mesh plot, what are the necessity of that? You can Google it. Okay, so importance of sharp and mesh plot. Okay, so you can say there are the MATLAB tutorial beginning 3D plot. There are lots kind of sharp plot. Like this kind of video, you can watch that if you want. And then let's go down. You can see there are many kind of plot here. Those are sharp plot, mesh plot, then mesh plot, sharp and mesh plot, Simulink. So three-dimensional sharp mesh plot, 3D plot. These are kind of 3D plot, you know. And then you get basics of 3D plot in MATLAB. Okay, we're not getting that much specific. So Cora, you may get this kind of answer in Cora. Yeah, so you can see that is the benefit of sharpening, you know, the sharp plot. So mesh plot with less number of grid. Stack Overflow, you can go to the Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is very good sites. It is if you have any programming problem, people get this kind of. If they have some kind of programming problem, then they post it here, so you can give that answer. Then MathWorks, this is the official site of MATLAB. You can also visit that. Okay, so there are many discussion is going on. What is the easiest way to draw 3D plot? Researchgate. Okay, whatever. So you'll search that, so you'll understand more. That is up to you. And we're going to end this session now. So we're going to end this session. Okay, so that is the end of chapter or lab 4. I think lab 4, not chapter. Okay. So that is the end of lab 4. So please study more by yourself and understand the necessity of this kind of 3D plot. Okay, so please respond. Shalom Rabbi. Juan Kabir.
Present, sir, please.
Nurul Alam.
Present, sir, please.
Imon.
Present, sir.
Hasanul.
Yes, sir.
Tawfiqur Rahman. Jubair Ahmed. Shakil Parvez.
Yes, sir.
Munshi Hasibur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Sajjad Hussain.
Sir, Jubair Ahmed present, sir.
Sajjad Hussain. Tohidul Islam. Jayanta Devanath.
Yes, sir.
Mushfika.
Yes, sir.
Pierul Islam. Mushfika.
Yes, sir.
কি খবর পাইছেন আপনার ছোট
No,
ভাইকে?
sir.
আবু জাফর সবাই খোঁজেন, মুশফিকার ভাই হারিয়ে গেছে। আবু জাফর।
Present, sir.
তামিল।
Yes, sir.
তুষার।
Yes, sir.
হাফিজ।
Yes, sir.
রহমান।
Yes, sir.
Nur Naeem,
Yes, sir.
Shahin Alam,
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Ali,
স্যার ওর দাদু মারা গেছে বলে।
Shahadat Hussain,
Present, sir.
Ajit,
Yes, sir.
এই শাহাদাত কি খবর? দেখি না তো অনেকদিন আপনার।
Alhamdulillah, sir.
হুমায়ুন কবির,
Yes, sir.
রাহাত সিদ্দিক,
Yes, sir.
অভিজিৎ,
Yes, sir.
তহিদুল ইসলাম,
Yes, sir.
হাফিজা,
Yes, sir.
শিপাতি কই?
Yes, sir.
তহিদুল,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
সাব্বির, ওকে, মাজারুল,
স্যার মাঝারুলের ডেটা শেষ স্যার ছিল স্যার।
রাশিদুল।
Present, sir.
কি একটা অনলাইনে ক্লাস করলে কি একটা সুবিধা, তাই না? ডেটা নাই তাহলে বললেই প্রেজেন্ট। দেন হাসিবুর রহমান, আমিনুল, সরি, আব্দুল মমিন,
Sir.
গোলাম রাব্বানি,
Yes, sir.
মুরসালিন,
Yes, sir.
নাসিব,